Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to write the missing letter of each picture. Let's start. Body parts. Vocabulary worksheet. Fill in the missing letters. Look at the first picture. Mouth. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. Look at the next picture. Teeth. T-E-E-T-H. Teeth. Teeth. Look at the next picture. Chin. C-H-I-N. Chin. C-H-I-N. Chin. Eyebrows. E-Y-E-B-R-O-W-S. Eyebrows. E-Y-E-B-R-O-W-S. Eyebrows. Eyebrows. Eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. Arm. A-R-M. Arm. A-R-M. Arm. Look at the next picture. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. Neck. N-E-C-K. Neck. N-E-C-K. Neck. Tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. E-A-R. Ear. E-A-R. Ear. Look at the next picture. Elbow. E-L-B-O-W. Elbow. E-L-B-O-W. Elbow. Hand. H-A-N-D. Hand. H-A-N-D. Hand. Look at the next picture. Hair. H-A-I-R. Hair. H-A-I-R. Hair. Belly button. B-E-L-L-Y B-U-T-T-O-N. Belly button. Look at the next picture. Foot. F-O-O-T. Foot. Well done, kids. Good job. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.